Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen. So today I'd like us to start off analysis with a chart on our screen. We will be starting off with gold. Gold, so far we have a very good uptrend. We had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance. We expect a resistance here. So if the price does not ascend and close above that same resistance, this trend line here, then this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. So we're just waiting to see what happens if the price moves up but does not break and close above this line. We will be expecting a rebound from it to pick a sell position, expecting the sellers to push us back towards this trend line. And in case the price breaks and closes above it, then we will expect a move even higher. So the other chart is EURUSD. With the EURUSD so far, we are looking at this level here. So yesterday, the reason we have this line here is because we had a resistance, there was a break above it, we had a retracement, and we expect that if the price does not descend below, sorry, if the price does not again close above this line, then this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. So we are just waiting to see what happens. If this happens, that is, if the price fails to break above this line, we may be looking for a sell position from here. But if the price ascends and closes above 1.10022, which is this line, then we will expect a move even higher towards 1.10468. The other chart is GBPUSD. This is upwards. So we are looking at a very good resistance, We have a resistance, then we have a break above the same resistance. And as it is right now, while we continue to see sustenance above 1.28673, which is this line here, 1.28601, this zone, while the price remains above it, we will be looking for buy positions from within these two lines, expecting that the buyers are going to push us up at least up to 1.29325. So when we see a retracement back towards this zone, we will expect it to retrace down, then continue up towards this line. If this is broken, we expect the price to continue even higher. So that should be my opinion on this chart. The other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. So on this chart so far, it looks like the price is in a very good uptrend. So we had like a very good level here, a support. We had a support, we have support here. As we're speaking right now, the price has just bounced off from this line and it's showing signs of continuing upwards. So we do expect that the buyers are going to push us upwards at least up to 152.796. So expect the price to move up to this line, where in case it ascends and closes above it, we will be expecting more movements higher towards 161.001. When this is broken, then we expect another move even higher. But as it is right now, this is still upwards. We do expect a move up to this point here. So thank you very much. I think that should bring us to the end of today's analysis. Sorry, I want us to look at something else. I want us to look at Bitcoin. It has been a while since we looked at this. I've not looked at it for a very long time myself, so that's why I actually want to look at it. With Bitcoin so far, we have a very good supportive trend line here, and we have a very good resistance trend line here. You can see that we had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance, and we have a resistance, and then we have a support here, we have another support, then we have another support here, and then we have another support here. So basically speaking, this is a very good expanding wedge formation. You may call it a flag formation, but in my opinion, this is an expanding wedge formation. And what it simply means is we are either waiting for a sell from the upper trend line, or a buy from the lower trend line. In case the price breaks above any of these trend lines, then we will be expecting a trade in the direction of the breakout. So when the price ascends above the upper line, expect a move higher. If the price breaks below the lower line, expect a move to the lower side. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you. Sorry, we'll meet again on Monday at the same time. Thank you and see you.